Yes, hi, this is Juan Lince, JM Lince Computers. Today we are going to open this Dell Inspiron One. This is the 2305 model. So yeah, basically what we are going to do is we are going to replace the hard drive. This is a Pioneer 1 terabyte SSD drive. So I'm going to show you how to replace it, and then I'm going to make another quick video to see how fast the computer gets with it. So let's get to it. There are some adapters that we could use for on most projects, but in this case it's not going to be possible to use something like this. So I'm just going to have to use some tape to secure the hard drive. I'm going to show you why. This is the tape that I'm using, the Gorilla tape. It's a pretty strong tape. I'll leave a link under the description for both the drive and the tape. So let's get to it. Basically, there are two screws that we need to remove, one and two. So let's get to it. Okay, we just need a Phillips screwdriver. That's one. This is the second one. Then you just slice the cover just like that, very simple, and that spots all the components including the hard drive. As you can see, there are just two screws holding the hard drive, so we are going to go ahead and remove those screws. That's number one. There you go, number three, I mean two. So we just slide the hard drive towards you like that, and there are two connectors, one for the data, the other one is for the power. So now we need to remove the hard drive from the case. There are just those four screws that we need to remove. There you go. So you just get the hard drive out. So yeah, the reason why it's hard to use those adapters is because we need the connectors to show right there. um, so if we use that adapter, basically the connectors won't be aligned to that space. It'll be more like in the middle. So yeah, if you find an adapter that actually will position the hard drive in that location, then please go ahead and share with us, leave us a comment, and that will help us all. But for now, I'll just use the tape just to secure it. The good thing about SSD drives is that because they don't have mechanical pieces, then they don't vibrate or move, so that's a plus. So yeah, I'll just put two tapes on the bottom of the hard drive just like this, and then I'm going just go ahead and stick it to the metal part, to the case for the hard drive, just like that. And I'm just going to use two extra pieces of tape just to make sure it doesn't move. But even if you don't use the tape, once you use the connectors, then it shouldn't move, because this is not like a laptop that you are moving around. Usually you just place the computer, the desktop, all in one place. So there you go. I'm going to connect data cable, and then the power cable. Be careful with those cables that are right there on top, because you don't want to damage them, so just move them a little bit, and then you can slice back the hard drive, and after, of course, just secure it with the screws. Yeah, there are some of these all-in-one computers that are really hard to disassemble, but fortunately this one is easy. So I'm just going to go ahead, after I reassemble this computer, I'm just going to install the Windows just as a clean installation. The way you do it is basically you just download the Windows from Microsoft, Windows 10. Just Google it, download Windows 10, and you'll find the website, and then you can create a USB with the latest Windows 10. In this case is the 1909. And then for this Dell computer, to boot from the USB, you just press F12. And anyway, since this hard drive is empty, then it will look for any bootable media. So yeah, you just go ahead, download the Windows 10, and make your USB installer. And well, right now this computer was taking like 2 minutes or more. So I hope this video helps. If so, please give me a like, or subscribe, and then watch for the next video, where I'm going to test how fast this computer can go. It was originally with Windows 7, and we can use the same license for the Windows 10. Thank you for watching. Okay, so I already installed the Windows 10 on this computer with the new SSD drive. So as I mentioned before, this was taking like a minute, actually like 2 minutes to boot. Now with the SSD drive, let's see how fast it boots. In theory, SSD drive is like 10 times faster. This is this Pioneer 1 terabyte, but because there are other components involved, usually makes the computer, especially older computers, 3 times faster. So what I'm hoping is for this computer to boot maybe 30 seconds or so. So let's see, let's wait. I'll leave once again I'll leave the link under the description for the hard drive if you want to get the same one that I got, the Pioneer one. This is the original drive that it was on the computer. It's a Seagate. So yeah, it's really fast, as you can see. So I hope this video is helpful. Please like it. Thank you for watching.